Hello everyone! So I am going to show you guys a very easy hairstyle. It's sort of like a semi-updo hairstyle. So to prep my hair, all I did was some simple curls. So look out for that video that was previously posted. I did share that with you. And of course, if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also find me on Instagram and on Facebook. Just search Deepa Yankaran and you will find me very easy. Alright, so let's get straight into it. I don't want to keep you guys back any longer. All you want to do is, now this is a very natural hairstyle, so I don't want it to look too neat. I kind of like the way that my waves look, so I just want to kind of keep that. The way I'm gonna do that and keep it kind of natural, I'm not going to use like a comb. So the only thing you're really going to need for this hairstyle would be your fingers and you will need some bobby pins, maybe some hairspray as well. So you're going to just need a few of these bobby pins. So the first thing you want to do is just to keep that volume here, don't put a comb, pass a comb through your hair. What you're going to do is just use your fingers, slide your fingers through your hair like this, and what you want to do is sort of get all your hair on one side. So this is what we're trying to do here. I'm just trying to flip all my hair on one side, and I'm just still using my fingers to sort of comb my hair up to fall on this side. It's okay if some of your curls fall over. At the end of the day, what we're trying to achieve is a very natural hairstyle. So right, there we go. So I kind of like how it falls this way, and I like how sort of messy but not too messy this part looks, so I'm going to leave it just as is. So just keep holding this side, which is, as you can see, I'm just holding it with two fingers right there. So what you want to do is open your bobby pin, and this is the way that I do it. If you are holding your bobby pin like this, if you're right-handed, you're going to use your left hand. You can use your nail, or you can even use the cushion of your finger right here, and just sort of press and open. So it's really pretty easy, you just need a little practice. Once your bobby pin is open, you're going to just pick up some of your hair, like I'm doing here, from on one side and jump across on the other side, and then push your bobby pin in like this. Pretty easy, and it stays. That's really easy. So it's just a little practice. I know it may feel like, oh my god, I can't do this, Deepa made this look so easy, but it is easy, just practice. Alright, so the next step is, I think it's going to look really cute if I pull a little piece down this way just to soften up my hair.